Hi, and welcome to Section 3, Data Pre-Processing and Preparation. In the last section, we looked at data extracting, transforming, and loading. In this section, we'll cover the data pre-process steps such as type conversion, adding, filtering, dropping, merging, reshaping, and missing value imputation with some basic R functions. Now we move on to the first video of this section that deals with renaming the data variable. In this video, we're going to take a look at using download.file to get employees.csv and salaries.csv from GitHub using names, call names, row names to examine and rename columns and rows. The use of a data frame enables the user to select and filter data by row names and column names. As not all imported datasets contain row names and column names, we need to rename this dataset with a built-in naming function. In this video, we need to prepare your environment with R installed and a computer that can access the internet. First, we use the download.file function to download salaries.csv and employees.csv from GitHub. We download employee.csv here. Let's run it. And yes, the file is downloaded. Additionally, we download salaries.csv from this GitHub link. Next, read the file into an R session with the read.csv function. Use the names function to view the column names of the dataset. Here you can see the output. To revise the column names of these two datasets, we simply assign a character vector to the name of the dataset. That is, employee number, birthplace, first name, last name, gender, hire date. You can see we've just changed the names instead of V1, V2, V3, etc. Besides using names, we can also rename columns with the call names function. Call names employee number, salary, from date, to date. See, the change has been made in place of V1, V2, V3, V4. Finally, we can revise the row names of the dataset to imp number with the row names function, row names. Here you can see. Since duplicate values are not allowed, it's showing this error. To avoid having to specify column names and row names separately with the call names and row names functions, we can use the dim names function to specify both column names and row names in one operation. Here I've written the code for that. When we run this, it gives us this as the output. Cool. So that's all for this video. In this video, we learned renaming the data variables in different ways. Awesome. In the next video, we'll take a look at converting data types.